Hello everyone, my name is Sanchiro from Sunshine Cooking Studio, and today I would like to talk about 5 ultimate colors that will make your dish appealing. Let's guess what are the colors along the video. There are altogether 5 colors and they are all from basic ingredients. Let's see together. I would like to give you some example from this recipe book. It shows a lot of color and example of 5 ultimate colors. So let's go through together. The first color is black. Black color can be obtained from sesame, from seaweed, from burnt but not preferable, or from fish skins. It will coordinate very good with the second color, which is white. White color are usually obtained from the rice, the bread, and some vegetable, and if you put them together they will have some dimension in it, but there's still lack of colorfulness. So we will add another color that is green, like this one, or mainly from vegetable, and that will make your food more healthier. But if you don't like vegetable, you can just add very little just to make it appealing, then let's eat it. The fourth color, that is the opposite of green, so is red. Red color can be from the meat, from tomato and carrots. It's orange, but it can count as something like reddish. And to balance all of them, there will be another color. Guess what? It's just yellow. So yellow mainly from egg, pumpkins. So let's see some example from this book. Okay, you can see from the cover, there are in this obento, there is red, yellow and green already. So if you dig inside, they will see the rice, which is the white. I would like to show you some good example in this one. You can see the example from this one. There are white, there are black from the meat, and brown or red from this lotus root, the yellow from bamboo shoot, and the green from zucchini. There I have 5 colors in it. Another good one is this one. You can see that there are yellow, a lot of yellow from corns and butter, red from the meat, the raw part, and black from the brown part of the meat, white from the rice, and green from vegetable. So you can see that they have all colors in it, and it makes the food very appealing. Another cute one is this one. There are mixture of white and yellow from rice and the corn, the red from the sauce and carrots, and the brown or black from the meat, and the green from vegetable. So you think it looks appealing and delicious? So I hope this video would be able to give you some ideas to decorate your dish to make it beautiful and more delicious. If you like to know anything about the food or baking, please comment below and I will try to answer you in the next video. See you! And these colors will make your food more